Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and all are best and healthy. Now we are going with our next concept, that is already completed now. Our lesson completed now already, and now we are going with the question answers, explanation of question answers, and as well as problems. Higher order thinking is there, or any doubts of you is there? Okay, yes. Yeah, please give attendance. Task. Good morning, everyone. Question answers. Yes, already we completed our first step now. Already we completed our first step now. Now question answers first step already we completed. Now we are going with our next concept. The reflection concepts already completed. Here what is that? Reflections on concepts. That is already completed now. The first bit is completed. Now what is there in the first bit now? Distinguish between speed and velocity. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Here we have taken it as speed, and next one is what? The velocity. Yes, clear or not, all the students? Next velocity. What is the speed and as well as what is the velocity we are considering here? Yes, the first one is the definition we have to write here. Yes, first defense, and the second one it's a vector or scalar you have to write here, and the third one. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Explained somewhat about the speed here, and the fourth one you have to write units. Okay, now yes, that is only you have to mention it. Clear or not, all the students? First, what is the definition of speed? Speed is actual path traveled by the body. Yes, on the ground, it is only called the speed. And next come to a velocity. What is the velocity? Yes, there is a what? Sorry, speed is nothing but what, Nana? Yes, change of rate of distance is only called the speed. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And the next, what is the velocity? Change of rate of displacement. It is called the velocity. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And here the vector, it is a what? It is a scalar. It is a vector or scalar. You write information, vector and as well as the scalar. Yes, clear or not? And the speed is compulsory as contain only the magnitude. There is a what? Maybe when the body is moving with the speed, the body may changes its direction. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, it's not have any direction. We not specified any direction for it. When you take velocity, you should compulsory specify its direction. I hope you are understood. And here in MKS system and as well as CBS system, the both are contain same units only. The units are not changes. The units are not changes. This is only about actually. This is only about our speed and as well as the velocity. Difference between speed and as well as velocity. Okay, thank you. And now there is the next to come to here. Yes, briefly explain about a constant acceleration. What is the acceleration? Yes, what is the acceleration? It is a constant acceleration. Yes, we are going with the constant acceleration. What is the acceleration? Which one is called acceleration, Nana? Second question answer. Second question answer. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change of rate of velocity. Acceleration is nothing but change of rate of velocity. Which one is called a constant acceleration then? Yeah, when there is a equal changes are there in equal time interval, it is a car, yes, constant acceleration. Means what? One car is moving like this, one car is moving like this here, yes, with the velocity. For first second, it is a contain 2 meter per second velocity. The next second, it is a contain 4 meter per second velocity. And as well as in a fifth second, it is a contain 6 meter per second velocity. Here are not all of you like this. For every second, it is a changes its velocity 2 meter per second. It is only called constant velocity. Clear or not all of you in this way? Every time interval, it should be compulsory. The change should be yes same. That is only called what actually? That is only called yes constant acceleration. That is only called constant acceleration. Okay, and the next to come to here. Next to come to here. There is a what? Next to come here, please don't write any chart things. Why? Because today the doubt clarification session is there. You feel I am hide here. Yes, some students are lost. Okay, if you are not interested, please don't listen the class. You go with the chartings only, no problem. Okay, who are interested for them, don't make trouble. Okay now, yes. Here, how can you say that a body is in motion? It is in a common property. Yeah, yes. How can you say the body is in motion? Now I am in motion. No. Clear or not? I am not in a motion now. There is my hand is in a motion. No. Okay, now it is in a motion. How can you say my hand is in a motion? Yeah, with respect to me and this board, this is the changes. It is that my hand is the changes. It's a position with the time. That's why only it is a called what? It is in a motion. Clear or not all of you? Yes, when my hand is a changes, it's a position with respect to time. It is only called actually. It is called what actually? No, it is only called motion. Understood or not all of you? This is only about motion is relative. How can you say it is a motion is relative? Yes, compulsory. You should take reference of another body. You should take compulsory reference of another body. Okay, now that's why only you should compulsory take the motion is not a common property for all. Okay, now it is changes for one to the another one. Okay, now for someone it is looks like a rest. For others it looks like a motion. That's why it is not a common property. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. And this is only suppose mass, it is a common property. It is not changes for the yes instant to the instant, time to the time. It is not changes. It is a universal constant. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, like that. That is when it is a constant for all. When it is the same for all, it is only called common property. Okay, length is a common property and looks for you that length only, and for another student is also like that only. Yes, it is maybe towards right, towards left. Okay, not a problem. It is in case it is in a motion or it is in a rest. Length is same. Mass is also same. Okay, the time is also not changes. They all are common properties. Understood or not? Yeah, I hope you are understood. That our motion is not a common property. It is a changes from one particle to the another particle, one body to the another body. The next one, fourth question answer. Next fourth question answer. Next fourth question answer. What is the fourth question answer? Here there is a area and average speed and average velocity are same. Average speed and average velocity are same. If not, explain why. Yes, average speed and average velocity, yes, are not the same actually. Okay, clear or not all of you? Speed is different. Okay, now and as well as there is a velocity is also different here only. Okay, clear. And there is a what compulsory. Yes, so when you take there is our yes average speed and as well as the average velocities. Okay, now when you go with the speed, there is a not need to the yes total direction is not need. Yes, there is we have there in a page number 16. Average speed is equal to taken as total distance by total time taken. Okay now, and as well as average velocity is nothing but total displacement by total time taken. You know very well. Already there is a given what is given when there is a what is the average speed of the car? It covers 2 kilometers in a 5 hours. We are not completed now. These are think and discuss. Yeah, we completed later. Today we are going with the question answers. 2 kilometers in a 5 hours means. Yeah, you know very well. You should compulsory convert. There is no need to convert actually. Yes, think and discuss. Page number 16. Once go with the page number 16 now. In that one, there is a fourth answer explanation is there. Yes, page number 16. In that one explanation is there. Average speed and average velocity. Average speed is nothing but total yes distance by time. Total displacement by time. Total distance by time and total displacement by time. That is only called actually average distance and average velocity. Okay, yes, and here there is in a think and discuss. The first think and discuss in a 16th page. It is given as what is the average speed of the car if it is covers 200 kilometers in a 5 hours. Okay, now average speed is equal to taken as yes 200 kilometers 5 by 5. It is become what actually? It is become yes 40. Yes 40 kilometer per hour. If you want it is in meter per second. If you want it is meter per second. Yeah, that is about 40 into 5 by 18. Yes, it is gives a what per meter per second. Yes, that is only how much it is 200 by 80. It is a given meter per second then. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, somewhat how much will we get for us? There is yes 12 point something. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, there is a what will we get for us? 12 point. Okay, now yes, how much here? The next 12 point 200. Sorry, it is a what here? 18. 18 means 2. There is a 4. 1. Yes, when it is a 2 remains, and the next it is a become 1 again. 11 points. Yes, 11 point. 1 again only. Then next it is a remain what actually 0, 100. Like that it will be get for us 20. Here 2 again 20. Yes, and it is 11. And next remain again 11.111 like that it will be get for us 11.11 meter per second. In this way we conclude about what actually about our that think and discuss. What you understood from this one? One more thing. There is a what in case there is a one aeroplane is moving with the there is a given in page number 18. What they are given? One aeroplane is moving with the what 300 km per hour due to the south and as well as it is due to north. Both are same? No, they not meet the same distances, same positions. Why? Because their directions are different. When the direction is changes, the velocity is same, but the direction should be in the velocity the magnitude is same, but the direction is changes. In this way, we are going with the fourth question answers. I hope you are understood the fourth question answer. Yeah. Now, the next to come to here. Yes, fifth question answer. Next one is the fifth question answers. What is that? How do you measure the instantaneous speed? How do you measure the instantaneous speed? Okay, clear or not, all the students? How do you measure the instantaneous speed? Yes, how do you measure instantaneous speed? Yeah, you measure the instantaneous speed means that you should take yeah, there is a somewhat student is asked about the examination. You write on the paper, we send the paper to you in the PDF form at the as per timetable. Okay, clear? Yes, and there is a what automatically you will get that yes, you will get that our paper on that download that paper, and afterwards by using that paper you have to write question answers immediately within the time you send again to the yes your WhatsApp group. Next, how do you measure the instantaneous speed? How do you measure the instantaneous speed? Yeah, yes, when one body is moving in a time at a time, okay, at a particular time, what is the speed is there, that is only called instantaneous speed. Clear or not, all the students? Yes, suppose you take, there is a nth second, okay, now already you know very well now, Sn is equal to what now? Sn is equal to taken as u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. This is what actually the displacement, yes, or distance, this is the displacement at where? At nth second. When you know the nth second displacement, automatically there is a particular time, what is its speed, that is also will get for us. That is only called instantaneous speed. Otherwise, you take s is equal to half at square sometimes. Okay, that formula also may given the instantaneous speed. Okay, now at a particular time of instant, what is the speed is there for it, that is only called instantaneous speed. Okay, now yes, the next. Next, when you consider it is 6 to 1, explain acceleration with example. So many examples are there. Okay, now yes, acceleration is nothing but change of rate of velocity. It is only called acceleration. How you explain about this? Yeah, there is you take somewhat examples are there now. Somewhat activities are there. 3 activities are there for us. One is a circular motion, another one is a freely falling body, another one is the inclined body. Yes, when it is a moving on inclined path, how it is the changes. There is a direction is not changes, speed is the changes. You know very well. There is a by using the 3 activities you are made. Yes, go with the double 6th question answer. Yes, this is the one. Another one is a circular motion. Okay, now another one is a what? A freely falling body. Freely falling body. Yes, otherwise it is a moving upward direction. Okay, clear or not, all of you? In this way, there is a what? When there is a body from the ground to the yes in a flight mode. When it is in a flight mode, yes, what is the changes are getting for us? When it is in a circular motion, what is the changes are getting in there? Yes, and when it is an inclined, okay, inclined plane, the body is moving on an inclined plane. Yes, how it is the changes? It is only contain one direction, but velocities are changes. Clear or not, all of you? When you take here, it is a what? It will be changes every time. The direction is the changes, but what is the remain the constant here? There is a velocity. It is a what is the constant here now? There is a direction is the same. Direction constant. What is the variant here? Yes, the velocity is a variant. Okay, now velocity either may decreases or increases. Here the velocity is constant. Here what is the constant? Velocity constant. What is the changes? What is the changes? Direction is the changes. Every time what is the changes, Mana? Direction changes here. Direction is changes here. Okay, clear? And now there is a what? It is a flight mode. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, it is a moving ground to here and otherwise here to here. There both are changes. Okay, not in a straight line. When you take here like this, it is a what? Like this, it is a what? No? It is in a moving in a curved path. Actually, when we are thrown one body with initial velocity, it selected which path? Parabolic path it is selected. Once you take it out, when you thrown ball, okay, now it will be as what? Parabolic nature. Like this, it will be moved. It will be moved like this, now. Yes, in this particular direction. Okay, now it is in this particular direction. It will be yes, reaches like here. Yes, every time direction is changes. Understood or not, all of you? Yes, that but speed changes and as well as the direction also changes. In this all the situations, whatever the situations we are considered, every time the velocity changes. There is every time what is changes? The velocity is changes. Clear or not, all of you? Here also changes the velocity. Here also velocity changes. Here also velocity is changes. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, when there is a velocity that changes with the time, that is only called acceleration. Every time there is a velocity is not increases only. Sometimes velocity decreases also. That when it is a decreases, that velocity is called deacceleration. The velocity is called deacceleration. Yes, I hope you all are understood all these 6 questions. And the 7th question answers. How do you mean by acceleration? Yes, that is a simple thing. Both are same questions only. That is just you have to write the definition. Yes, and as well as you have go with the page number 28. Question answers are page number 28. No. Page number 28. Yeah, there is a what? It is a what do you mean by acceleration? There is a same. There is a you write just definition only and as well as the units only. Acceleration is nothing but change of rate of velocity. It's a direction. It's a contained direction actually. Yes, whatever the direction is there and as well as the magnitude is a compulsory for every physical one. That's why it is called scalar. Okay, clear? In this way, we have to go with our acceleration. Okay, and the first completed. The next to come to the application concepts. Application concepts. Sorry, somewhere there is a what connectivity problem is there here. Okay, now if any problem is there, please write on messages. Somewhat connectivity problem is getting for me. Okay, now yes, on the screen there is somewhat scrolling like this. It will clear or not? Yeah, that is a clear. Thank you. And now in above figure. Yeah, you should write your this question answers in your workbook, Nana. I hope you all are taken your study materials. Okay, na or not? You should compulsory take study material, Nana. Yes. You should compulsory take a study materials. Okay, na. Otherwise, it is you not how to write. There is a question answers. Yes, with efficient. Why? Because I am given some suggestions how to write here. Okay, clear? Yes, and as well as somewhat here. Yes, and in your textbook it will be there. But in our whatever study material is there, in that one the clear answers are there. Yes. Yeah, now there is the next to come to here. Application concepts. In above figure, distance versus time graphs shown of two cars. You know very well all the graphs are there. In the all the graphs are there where in your yes 7th class only all the yes graphs are there. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here that graphs are only here we consider a body. Above figure distance versus time graphs showing the motion of two cars A and other of the B are given. Which car moves fast here? Okay, now there is a given what actually like this. Diagram is a given. One is a given like this. Another one is given like this. Okay, now there is a which one here? A is a given here. B is a given here. What it is? It is a yes distance. It is a displacement or distance it is. Yeah. Now suppose I am taking here 2, 4, 6, 8. Clear or not all the students? Now the time is taken here 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Check it out. In 3 seconds only. Okay, clear or not all of you? In 3 seconds our A car is here, B car is here. Means what? It is travel how much distance na? 8 meters. And here this is a travel which one? Then it is only travel from what? 3 meters only. Clear or not all of you? Yes, in this particular time interval, whatever the time we are consider 2 seconds and here it is taken as a 3 seconds. Okay now, it is a 2 seconds and as it is a 3 seconds, we are consider like this now. It is only just reaches up to here, yes 8 meters only, but it is reaches how much here? How much it is reaches? There is a 3 meters reaches here. Clear or not all the students? This is only about which one here now? It is a travel how much distance? 8 meters already traveled it is. Which one? A is the faster. This is the become yes, this is the become slower. B is become slower. Why? Because in the same time it is a 3 meters, it is a travel 8 meters. Okay, that's why it is a travel yes more distance. Which one? A. And next, the body living at a certain point go moves with a constant acceleration. A body living a certain point go moves with a constant acceleration. At the end of the 5th second, its velocity is 1.5 meters per second. At the end of 6th second, the body stops and then begins to move backward. Find the distance traveled by the body before it stops. Determine the velocity with the body returns to the point go. Okay, the same as our 7th question answer. Understand all of you, Nana? There is our 7th, whatever the question is there now in the 7th question, you should go like that only. Yes, what is there given? A body leaving a certain point go. Yes, moves at a constant acceleration. At the end of the 5th second, its velocity is 1.5 meters per second. At the end of the 6th second, the body stops and then begins to move backward. Find the distance traversed by the body before it stops. Okay, first you have to find. Second one, it's an important one. Yeah, what it is a given? First thing is about it's a constant. Data is a given here. What is the data is a given here? Yeah, it is at the 5th second. The velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Yes, it is moving at a constant speed only. V is equal to here u plus ad. Here a is a constant. It's a is a what? Constant only. Yes, and it started from where? Yes, from the u. Yeah, initially it is a contained what? U is equal to 0 and A is equal to what? A constant here. It is a constant here. Okay, clear or not all of you? Now there is a what will be considered every a constant velocity, it will be constant acceleration is there. You have to find out first the value A. Then next you have to find out here. Yes, our whatever the yes. Afterwards, first you find out how much constant acceleration is there. Simply, otherwise in this manner. Every time there is a 1.5 meter per second square, 1.5 meter per second square, 1.5 meter per second square, 1.5 meter per second square. Changes are getting for us. That is only constant acceleration is nothing but 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. It is reached at the 5th second. Next also it will be moved toward what is the velocity? 1.5 only. Here at the end of a 6th second, the body stops and there it is what? Final velocity is become 0. V is equal to 0. Here V is equal to what? 0. Initially U is equal to 0. Then after final velocity becomes 0. Again it is a returned back. In this mode only we are considered. Yes, what the formulas we are used? First you are used V is equal to U plus AD. Here U is not given. Just you find out A value only from this. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the velocity? What is the acceleration here? 1.5 meter per second square. Acceleration is there and as well as the velocity, it is also 1.5 meter per second square only. Yes, final velocity. From that one we'll get the what? Yes, our whatever our yes value will get for us. Understood not all of you? That is answer is already given. That is the 27 meters and as well as there is a whatever the distance is traveled after the 5th second to the 6th second. Yes, after 5th second it is a return back now. It is will get for us 9 meter per second. That is a 2 into yes. There is a 2 into s they are considered. Yes, once you solve it. Yes. Yes, why? Because same as the 7th problem, you have to solve it. Okay, clear or not all of it? The same as 7th problem or not? The same thing now. 7th problem, just there is the initial velocity is a given, but here you take initial velocity is 0. And the next to come to here, third one. A train length is a 50 meter, is a moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Calculate the time taken by the train to cross the electrical pole and a bridge of length 250 meter. Okay, clear? Here there is the average speed. You take it, the third one is based on the same as example number. Yes, example 7 on it is. Yes, 7. Okay, and now come to here. That is why, because tomorrow examination is there now. We take the total time. And now there is a what I only given hints. Once you try to solve. Third one, a train of a length 50 meter is a moving with a constant speed 10 meter per second. Calculate the time taken by the train to cross the electric pole and the bridge of length 250 meters. That is average speed from average speed. Use the average speed of the train and you take that is what simply 50 meters of there and the length is what actually yes 250 meter. Automatically will get 5 seconds for the traveling of it and after that how much time it is taken for every constant speed is how much 10 meter per second. Automatically there is a travel that the total time within the what? Within the 30 seconds only it is a travel. Why? Because there is we added the train length also 250 plus 50. Train length also you added. Its crosses now totally 300 meters will be get. Time it is our speed is how much 10. Total time become 30 seconds. In this way you consider third answer. And after that, draw the distance versus time graph when the speed of the body increases uniformly. You know very well. When there is a speed of the body uniformly increases, you get the straight line. Okay, like the straight line. It is a time. It is a yes. It is a yes distance or displacement here. means what? As 4 meter per second, 4 meter per second like that. 2, 2, 4, okay, 6, 8, like this it will be get for us. 1 second, second second, third second, fourth second. Okay, now like that it is get for us. That answer is the question number. You know what? Here the question number is the fourth one. Okay, clear? And as well as next, draw the distance to time graph. Yes, decreases uniformly. When it is a decreases uniformly, simply there is a what? But direction is like this here. Sorry. Decreases uniformly means, yeah, decreases uniformly means you get like this now. There is a what? It is a traveled this much of a distance initially. Okay, now at a 1 second it will be made travel. Yes, first second it will be contain greater distance is traveled. Then next decreases, decreases, decreases like that. Understood all of you? Yes, when it is increases, upward line. When it is a decreases, downward line will be made for us. And as well as sixth question answer, what is the average speed of a cheetah has sprints that sprints 10 meters in a 4 seconds. Yes, what if it's a sprint 5 meters in a 2 seconds, 50 meters in a 2 seconds? It becomes what average speed. Average speed is nothing but in a total distance traveled by the total time. Okay, what is the speed of our cheetah? Like simply, yes, the question number is how much it is the question number? It is the sixth question number. Yes, average speed is equal to taken as total distance by total time. Yes, the first in case it is the most 100 meters. Okay, now, yes, then it is what actually will be get for us. Yes, 4 seconds. It is become 25 only. Yes, then is the what? In case it is a 50 meters, it is in a 2 seconds. It is also 25 seconds only. Average speed of our the cheetah for the sprinting, it is about 25. Yes, 25 seconds, 25 meter per second. Sorry, what is its average speed? 25 meter per second. In this way, we have to go with the what? This question, sixth question. Okay, and the next come to here, seventh one now. A car travel at a speed of 80 km per hour during the first half. It's a running time, and it's a 40 kilometers during the other half. It's a 4 km per hour. 40 km per hour. Yes, and find the average speed of the car. Okay, now yes. Actually, one car traveling is with the what? 80 km per hour. 80 km per hour. The next, it is for what? During first half. Yes, half it's a running time. And at 40 km per hour, next half. Already we are completed. Like this problem we are already completed now. Yes, in the class we are completed. First it's a travel. Total time we taken 1 hour. Okay, now yes, within the 30 minutes it is a travel. Suppose it is taken as 80 km per hour. Next it is a travel 40 km per hour. Okay, clear not all of you? How many components are there? Velocity components 80 plus 40 by 2. That is only. Okay, clear not all of you? 80 plus 40 by 2. That is become 120 by 2. Total number of velocity components by number of components. Total number of sum of velocity component or sum of speed component by total speed components. That is only we are considering. Okay, and now this is the seventh one. Eighth one. A particle covers 10 meters in first 5 seconds and 10 meters in next 3 seconds. Okay, now a particle covers 10 meters in the first 5 seconds. 10 meters in the next 3 seconds. Assuming constant acceleration, find initial speed. Understood all of the students? As a particle covers 10 meters in the first 5 seconds and 10 meters in the next 3 seconds. Yes, assuming constant acceleration. Okay, now the first acceleration is how much? There is a, for every 10 meters it will be, for every second 2 meters it's a travel. Yes, and in next 10 meters it's traveled in a 10 only. Means what is the velocity, what is the acceleration it will become now? Assuming constant acceleration, find the initial speed of it. Okay, clear or not all of you? V is equal to u plus at, you take here. Sorry, otherwise s is equal to ut plus half at square you have to use here. In a which one, Anna? In a which eighth question answer? In a eighth question answer, there is a what? Particle covers 10 meters in the first 5 seconds and 10 meters in the next 3 seconds. Okay now, assuming constant acceleration, find the initial speed, acceleration and the distance covered in next 2 seconds. Okay, clear? Yes? Next 2 seconds. Okay, it is assuming it is a constant acceleration. Okay now, first you take the what? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, clear or not all of you? Ut plus half at square formula. From that one you get the u value. Then next use the what actually? Yes, v is equal to u plus at. In that one we will get the initial velocity. Yes, in this mode we are considering. Okay, clear or not, Nana? In this way, 8th question you have to complete. If you have any doubt, please send me your doubt to my number. Yes, after completion of examination, again I will go with our IRR thinking questions, and as well as next we go with yes our multiple choice questions. To take help of our study material. Yeah. Next we'll go with the next class. Maths class is there. Please go with the maths. Thank you. Take care. Bye.